Ever pondered on the potential of your laptop and internet connection? Ever wondered how this simple setup could transform into a money-making machine? Well, let's delve into the realm of online income, where opportunities are endless and financial freedom is just a few clicks away. Firstly, we explore the world of affiliate marketing. Essentially, this involves promoting another company's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Start by picking a niche that resonates with you. Then search for affiliate programs within that niche. Join the program, get your referral link, and start promoting. The key here lies in the art of persuasion, and the beauty of it is that you don't need to create a product of your own. Secondly, consider dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. Thirdly, think about starting a blog or a website. This is a longer-term strategy that can pay off handsomely if done right. Choose a topic you're passionate about, create engaging, valuable content consistently, and monetize your site with ads, sponsored posts, or by selling your own products or services. Next, we have online courses. If you're an expert in a certain field, why not share your knowledge and make money from it? Create a course, set your price, and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your own website. Fifthly, we explore the world of YouTube. The video sharing platform can be a goldmine if you create engaging, quality content that attracts viewers. Monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsored videos, or by selling your own products or services. The sixth source is freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The more experience and positive reviews you get, the more you can charge for your services. Lastly, consider writing an ebook. If you have a story to tell or valuable knowledge to share, write an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or your own website. You write the book once, but you keep earning every time someone buys it. In summary, the 7 sources of income we've explored today are affiliate marketing, dropshipping, starting a blog or website, creating online courses, YouTube, freelancing, and writing an ebook. Each of these methods requires time, effort, and sometimes a small initial investment. But with consistency, dedication, and a bit of creativity, they can turn your laptop and internet connection into a stable source of income. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunities. Dive in, explore, and you'll find treasures beyond your wildest dreams. The year 2024 is your year to shine in the online income universe.